Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. I want to tell you today about a contest offering $3,000 for the first 10-pound tomato. Eddie Zakowski of Canada has offered up a $3,000 prize for the first 10-pound tomato. Right now the current world record is 9.44 pounds by Dan Sutherland of Washington State. Alright, so what we're going to do here is the mother of that 9.44 Sutherland was the 5.95 Kaninsky from Michigan. Good friend of mine, Chris Kaninsky from Northville, Michigan, Wixom grower at bigpumpkins.com. If you want more information on how you can win that $3,000 from Eddie Zakowski in Canada, join us at bigpumpkins.com. We grow pumpkins, long gourds. I just happen to have right here a plant. This is the mother of the world record long gourd and the past champions. It's grown several past champions. Last year's champion from Pennsylvania, from Larry Chekon. Anyhow, here you go. Bubba's going to throw his hat in the ring this year. I'm building a trellis tomorrow in an attempt to grow a world record long gourd. I also have some tomatoes here. My good friend Dan Fleeser gave me some plants, and I'm going to start some additional ones. Here's the 5.95 Kaninsky from Michigan that grew that world record tomato, 9.44 Sutherland. So hey, join us. We're going to see what Mark's mixes will do. Mark's special tea with amino acids, kelp extract. I'm going to link this to another video. Check out the videos, comment on both videos, and we are going to draw a winner. I'm going to be giving away 6 packs of Mark's mixes. You'll get a Grow, a Bloom, a CalMag, a Pumpkin Power. In our Mark's Special Tea, you'll get a 6-pack. I'll ship it in the U.S. for free. If you're from Canada or Europe, you can split the shipping with me, and we'll get you the Mark's mixes to try out. I'm going to see what they'll do. And on the tomatoes and long gourds this year. The pumpkins, we're running so far behind in the pumpkins, I'm going to kind of throw the towel in on the pumpkins. We'll still grow them, try for the Michigan State Fair, but we're out of the global race, that's for sure. But here you go. Here's all the names that commented. I want to thank you all for commenting. Keep subscribing to my channel. Click on the notifications. Share my videos. And I'll pick a winner. I'm going to turn around, turning my head. And here is our our winner. It is Daniel Bentley. Daniel Bentley, you've just won a 6-pack of Mark's mixes. All right, guys, the more you comment, the more your chances are better. Dan has entered more than once. He commented on several videos, which makes your odds better. So keep them going and keep them growing. Stay tuned for our future videos. Bubba is going to grow a new Michigan State record tomato, possibly a world record tomato. Chris Kaninsky, who currently holds the Michigan State record at, I believe it's 6.23 pounds, is the Michigan State record. He beat my record like 5 times in one season. I had the Michigan State record at 4.44 pound tomato. But hey, Chris, I'm coming back. I'm coming back to get my state record. All right, man. Join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. And no worries. If you're behind, you can always catch up with some giant tomato plants. Join us. Keep them growing. We'll talk to you.